Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to set up and use the band trend indicator for MT4 and MT5. All right. Now, unfortunately, this indicator is not available for free on the MQL5 marketplace. As you can see, this is the MT4 version priced at $99 US. Meanwhile, if you want to make use of this indicator, you can try out the free demo. Okay, I recommend that you try out the free demo first, and then if it fits your trading expectations, if it matches your trading expectations, you can proceed to making the financial commitment. But before you make any financial commitment, ensure that you try it out on the demo first. Okay, so this indicator, as you can see based on the description anyways, it helps to identify the trend. All right, and of course it helps you to also determine the prevailing momentum in the market. You can see that the indicator, it's in an indicator window, right? A separate indicator window, and then it functions with this red and green bars. It wants to look a little like the hiking a sheet, right? So when it is green in color, you know that it's a bullish momentum, right? Especially when it crosses above this oversold level. So when the oscillator climbs above the oversold level and is green in color, it's a signal to buy. Okay. On the other hand, when the oscillator drops below the overbought level and is red in color, it's a signal to sell. Okay, so it's a pretty straightforward indicator. Ensure that you always pay attention to your price action as well. Of course, you should get confirmations, perhaps chart pattern confirmations or candlestick pattern confirmations that will support the signal given to you by the band trend indicator. Okay, you can also use the indicator for divergence, right? It's an oscillator. So in the case where you have maybe lower lows being formed by price and higher lows being formed by the indicator, of course, you know that's a bullish divergence, right? So whether you are a divergence trader or you just want to catch momentums in the market, you can take advantage of this indicator. But remember, before making any financial commitments, ensure that you try out the free demo first. That is, if you are even interested in the indicator in the first place. Okay, there are many other indicators out there, free indicators that you can also use. Right here in this Forex Geek channel, you're going to find many other indicators that you can try out if you are looking specifically for free indicators. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Click on the notification bell as well so you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.